Okay, so I want to share a really good example of a low sloped roof, roll roofing material. Appears to be a torch down and very nicely done. This roof's only 4 years old. The building was constructed 4 years ago. So this is the original roof. Looks really good. It's holding up well. A lot of good detail to it. As you can see, all the pipe stacks are really sealed up nicely. Did a really nice job on these roof penetrations all the way around. The only thing I caught here was this looks like an auxiliary conduit for electrical to come up. They should have capped this off, so I'm going to mention that they should put a cap on that so we don't get any water going in there. When I get down below, I'm going to try to see if I can figure out where that's coming out. But overall, the roof looks really good. It's got a scupper drain over here, scupper drain over here. It's got a high point here that slopes this way, high point slopes that way. It's got this little swale right here, and this whole side slopes down here towards the drain. So pitch on the roof is really good. This roof probably won't have any drainage issues whatsoever. Looks really good here. Another thing I want to point out is the coping metal here, which you can refer to as cap, flashing cap that goes around the perimeter all the way around for these little short parapet walls. I like seeing this even on a re-roof on a 1920s house. I'd rather see them put this on the edges as opposed to just run their roofing only. Because right up here, this roofing is just coming up and going right over the top here. And as long as they seal it down good, it should be good. However, I like seeing this cap as an extra measure. It's going to protect that open seam on the outside, on the roll roofing area. And it's going to keep this thing nice and watertight. So I prefer to see this. It's not a requirement, but I always like to see this. It's called coping metal.